easiest way to make money with affiliate marketing. Hello, how are you doing? My name is Eric and I'm known as Jamaica Income Guy. In this video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to make money with affiliate marketing. So if you're interested, all you need to do is watch this video to the end and you will see the easiest way to make money with affiliate marketing. Okay? But before I show you how you can go about getting started, I want to show you real proof that this program allows me easily to make money with affiliate marketing, and this is the way you can use. This is the guide that you can get started with easily, okay, and start making money with affiliate marketing. So this program allows you to earn while learning. So if you're interested in earning while learning, watch this video to the end. This is just one of my income stream. This is Udemy, and this program allows me to earn easy money with affiliate marketing with Udemy without promoting Udemy. As you can see, my total earning is over $2,000 US just in Udemy, and I'm going to refresh the page and show you guys real proof that this program does work. It really allows you to make easy money with affiliate marketing. As you can see, the page is reloading. As you can see, for demonstration purpose, I'm just going to withdraw this $38 into my PayPal account to show you guys that this program does allow me to make money. So if you're interested, I'm going to leave a link in the description that will allow you to get instant access to the step-by-step training. The step-by-step training allows me to learn and earn. So you will earn while learning. As you can see, I withdraw that $38 from my account, and I'm going to show you real proof in the next account that this program allows me to earn. This is Quick Magic. As you can see, my total commission earned in Quick Magic is over $2,000 US, and all these payments sent straight to my PayPal account. And this is the next one. Get response. This program allows me also to earn money with Get Response, and my lifetime earnings with Get Response is over $700 US. And I'm just going to refresh the page to show you guys that this is no fair scarcity account. These accounts are real accounts. I'm going to log in back. So as you can see, I'm here right back into my Get Response account, and I'm going to move on. Check out ClickFunnels. Sorry, this is ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels allow me to earn over $7,000 US. So if you're interested in earning money online, you need to watch this video to the end, and I'm going to leave a link in the description so you can get started with the same program that allow me to earn easy money with affiliate marketing. Okay, as you can see, this is the other one, the 4%. My lifetime earnings over $3,000 with the 4%, $3,000 US. So I can go on and on and on. I just want to show you guys real proof inside of the account that this program does work and it allows me to earn money from more than one company. It teach me step by step what I need to do and also allow me to earn while learning. So if you're interested in earning multiple stream of income, click the link in the description and get started with the webinar. And the webinar will show you step by step what you need to do for you to start earning money like this. Okay? So have a nice day. Remember to click the link in the description, and if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button, and remember to click the bell icon to notify of any video as soon as I upload it. Okay, have a nice day.